Have you ever felt that something is off in your relationships, even though on the surface, everything feels fine? In this video, I'm going to talk about how the mental and emotional issues you might not even realize you're carrying can quietly ruin all of your relationships. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how unresolved stress, anxiety, and overthinking can create invisible barriers with those you care about, as well as what you can do to break that cycle for good. My goal is to help high-achieving professionals relieve their stress, anxiety, overthinking, and burnout using practical strategies and techniques from our M3 method so they can enjoy their success without sacrificing their well-being. Let's start by acknowledging a harsh truth. Even if you're a high-achieving professional with a great career, your inner struggles can affect the people closest to you. I've seen it time and time again. Smart, successful professionals who seem to have it all on paper, yet they find themselves emotionally distant at home, unable to truly connect with their partners or family. This isn't because they don't care. It's because they're overwhelmed by internal battles they rarely discuss. You might be so busy chasing success that you forget to process your emotions. When stress, anxiety, or the constant overthinking takes over, it creeps into your interactions unknowingly. You might snap at your spouse over a minor comment, or withdraw when someone needs you the most. In your pursuit of excellence, you might have inadvertently built walls that keep you from being present, vulnerable, and truly connected. This hidden cost of neglecting your mental health is the silent relationship killer that nobody really talks about. And it's not something you can see until it's too late. Now let's dig a little deeper into what causes these cracks in your relationships. Many high-achieving professionals have learned to compartmentalize their lives. They separate work success from personal fulfillment, thinking that as long as the numbers add up, everything is fine. But when you're constantly suppressing your emotional side, you end up in a cycle where you never properly process your feelings. Unresolved stress turns into irritability. Unaddressed anxiety becomes a wall between you and those you love. And overthinking, it can lead to constant self-doubt and misinterpretation of even the smallest gestures. If you're a high-achieving professional that's struggling with stress, anxiety, and overthinking, I created a free gift just for you. My stress-free success guide gives you 5 simple science-backed strategies to calm your mind, reduce your stress, and regain control of your emotions so you can focus on what truly matters. These are practical, fast-acting techniques that fit seamlessly into your life and help you stay productive without suffering from mental and emotional roadblocks. Click the link in the description to grab your copy and start taking control of your mental and emotional health today. I've worked with clients who felt like they were experts at showing up at work, yet when they got home, they were a shell of their former selves. They struggled to express love, they felt misunderstood, and ultimately, they isolated themselves. The core issue isn't a lack of caring, it's a lack of emotional clarity and the inability to process negative emotions effectively. When you avoid addressing the root causes, you create a disconnect, one between who you are and who you want to be in your personal relationships. This is not something you want to have. Okay, so now that you know about this destructive cycle, how do you actually stop it and start repairing your relationships? I want to share 3 simple shifts that you can begin making right now. First is to practice self-awareness. Before reacting in a conversation, pause and notice what you're really feeling. Ask yourself things like, am I reacting out of stress or for something deeper? This small moment of reflection can help you respond rather than react, keeping your relationships from suffering from needless conflicts. Secondly, you can develop an emotional check-in routine. Set aside 5 minutes each day to assess your feelings. Write down what's on your mind and how you're truly feeling about things. This habit not only helps you process your emotions, but it also makes it easier to communicate your needs to your loved ones. And third, learn to reframe your negative thoughts. When you notice feelings of irritability or withdrawal, ask yourself, is this about the other person, or is it really my own inner turmoil showing up? By reframing your internal dialogue, you can shift from blame to understanding, opening the door to honest conversations with those around you. These shifts aren't overnight fixes, unfortunately. but they're practical steps to start bridging the gap between your professional success and your personal fulfillment. When you start processing your emotions and developing healthier responses, you're not only improving your own well-being, but you're also creating more space for deeper and more meaningful relationships. If any of this resonates with you, it's time to stop letting your inner struggles dictate the quality of your relationships. Imagine coming home, feeling present and connected, and actually enjoying the people you love, instead of being weighed down by stress and unspoken pain. I invite you to take the first step towards a balanced, emotionally healthy life by clicking the link below to download my Stress-Free Success Guide. It's a resource that gives you 5 simple science-backed strategies that help you reduce stress, calm your mind, and reclaim your emotional balance. And if you're ready for a deeper conversation, you can schedule a free strategy call with me so we can uncover what's really holding you back from having the fulfilling relationships that you deserve. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please click like, comment, and subscribe. I'm Steven Jaworski, and I'll see you in the next one.